Sony may be getting ready to make one of its smallest full-frame cameras one of its most powerful. The rumored A7C III is starting to sound less like a simple update and more like a major transformation for Sony's compact full-frame lineup. If the latest reports are even partly accurate, Sony could be preparing a camera that brings much of its newest flagship technology into a body designed for travel, street photography, vlogging, and everyday creators. And that combination could make the next A7C one of the most interesting cameras to watch this year. What makes the timing especially interesting is Sony's history with this series. The A7C lineup has traditionally benefited from technology introduced in larger cameras, giving buyers a smaller alternative without completely sacrificing performance. That strategy could continue with the next generation. Sony's newest high-end cameras have already pushed sensor technology, processing power, autofocus, and AI-based recognition to another level. So the big question is how much of that technology Sony is willing to fit inside the compact A7C body. If the answer is most of it, we could be looking at a very different kind of compact camera. One of the biggest rumors revolves around the sensor. The A7C III is expected to use a new full-frame sensor somewhere in the mid-30 megapixel range. That would give photographers more resolution than the previous generation while potentially improving dynamic range, low-light performance, and overall image quality. A back-illuminated design could help the sensor collect light more efficiently, which would be particularly useful for photographers working in difficult lighting conditions. More resolution would also give creators additional flexibility when cropping images, something that can be extremely valuable when traveling or shooting unpredictable subjects. But the sensor may only be half of the story. The processing system could be where this camera really separates itself from the previous generation. Sony has been putting much more emphasis on dedicated AI processing, and the next A7C could inherit some of that technology. Instead of relying only on traditional autofocus calculations, the camera could use intelligent recognition to understand what is actually happening inside the frame. That means better subject detection, more reliable tracking, improved exposure decisions, and smarter image processing. For a compact camera, that would be a huge step forward. And then there is autofocus, which could become the A7C III's biggest selling point. Sony already has a strong reputation for autofocus, but the latest generation has taken subject recognition much further. The rumored compact camera could inherit an advanced face detection system combined with AI-powered recognition. Rather than simply finding a face and hoping it stays there, the camera could recognize different types of subjects and continuously predict their movement. That could be especially useful for people who photograph pets, wildlife, sports, family moments, or street scenes. Imagine pointing the camera toward a crowded environment and having it automatically recognize the important subject while maintaining focus as that person moves across the frame. The same concept could apply to birds, animals, vehicles, and other moving subjects. For creators who do not want to constantly move focus points manually, this kind of intelligence could make the camera feel almost effortless to use. Video performance is another area where Sony could make a serious statement. The A7C III is rumored to support high-quality 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, potentially using a much wider portion of the sensor than older compact models. That matters because a wider sensor readout can provide a more natural field of view, while giving creators more detail and flexibility. For vloggers and documentary shooters, being able to capture high-quality footage without relying on a heavily cropped image could make a major difference. Internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording is also expected to remain part of the package. For anyone who edits seriously, this is important because it provides significantly more color information and greater flexibility when adjusting footage during post-production. Add Sony's modern color profiles and creator-focused video features, and the A7C III could become much more than a camera that happens to record video. It could be a genuine hybrid production tool. That is particularly interesting because the compact design has always been one of the A7C series' biggest advantages. You can carry a full-frame camera without feeling like you are carrying a traditional professional DSLR-style body. The next version is expected to maintain that philosophy, with a compact rangefinder-style design that keeps the camera relatively flat and easy to pack. For travelers, street photographers, and creators who spend hours carrying their gear, that smaller footprint can be just as important as raw specifications. Stabilization could also receive a significant improvement. The rumored in-body stabilization performance is expected to be around the 7-stop range, which could make handheld photography much easier in low-light conditions. It could also help creators shooting video without a tripod or gimbal. Walk-and-talk videos, travel footage, behind-the-scenes content, and quick handheld clips could all benefit from smoother results. The idea is simple. More stabilization means fewer situations where you need to carry additional equipment. Continuous shooting performance is another area worth watching. While the exact speed remains uncertain, reports suggest Sony could increase burst performance compared with the previous compact generation. Combined with advanced subject tracking, faster bursts could make it much easier to capture the exact moment you want. Whether it is a bird taking off, a child running toward the camera, or a fast-moving street scene, having more frames to choose from can dramatically improve the chances of getting the perfect shot. Sony may also make some practical improvements to storage and connectivity. There has been speculation about dual card support, potentially combining a high-speed CF Express type A slot with an SD card slot. If that happens, professional users could have a backup recording option while casual shooters could continue using more affordable memory cards. Better wireless connectivity and battery improvements would also make sense for a camera designed around modern creators who frequently transfer images and videos directly to phones, tablets, or computers. The most exciting part, however, may be the timing. Current speculation points toward a possible announcement later in the year, potentially around November, with availability following shortly afterward. Of course, Sony has not officially confirmed this schedule, so it should be treated as a rumor rather than a guaranteed launch date. The same applies to the specifications. Until Sony actually reveals the camera, sensor resolution, video modes, stabilization performance, card configuration, and pricing can all change. Price could be one of the biggest factors. Estimates currently place the body somewhere in the mid-$2,000 range. That would make it considerably more expensive than some entry-level full-frame cameras, but it could still sit below Sony's larger flagship models. If Sony manages to deliver flagship-level autofocus and strong video performance while keeping the body compact, that premium could make sense for creators who value portability. And the competition is getting stronger. Canon continues to improve its compact full-frame options, while Panasonic has attracted video creators with cameras focused heavily on stabilization and minimalist design. That means Sony cannot simply release another small full-frame camera and expect buyers to automatically choose it. The A7C III needs to offer a clear advantage, and that advantage could be its combination of autofocus, AI processing, image quality, and portability. Ultimately, the rumored A7C III could represent exactly what many creators have been asking for: a full-frame camera that feels small enough for everyday use, but powerful enough for serious work. The goal is not necessarily to replace Sony's professional flagship cameras. Instead, it could bring much of their technology into a package that people are actually willing to carry everywhere. If Sony gets the balance right, the A7C III could become one of those cameras that appeals to photographers and video creators at the same time. It could deliver high-resolution images, advanced subject tracking, strong stabilization, capable 4K video, and a compact body without forcing users to compromise as much as previous generations did. Nothing is official yet, but the direction of the rumors is certainly interesting. If Sony really is preparing to bring its latest flagship technology into this smaller form factor, the next A7C could be far more than a routine upgrade. It could be the camera that finally proves you do not need a large body to get genuinely high-end performance.